In this video, we will show you how to install a door on a frame cabinet. Let's get started. To avoid damaging your doors, place them on a hard surface before you install the hinges. Do not tap the hinges in on a soft surface. Use a hammer to gently tap the hinges into their holes. Find the hinge locator in your kit. It's labeled Frame Cabinet Hinge Door. This tool makes it easy to mount all your doors level with one another. Put a 1/16 inch bit into your drill. Hold the hinge locator in place and drill holes for the upper hinge on each door. Drill the holes about 3/4 inches deep. You don't need a pilot hole for the lower hinge. It's more efficient if you drill all your pilot holes at the same time. Put the Phillips head in the drill. Find the bag labeled Screw Hinges to Cabinets. The bit holder with a sleeve makes it easy to drive your screws. Put a screw on your bit. Hold the door in place so that the hole in the upper hinge lines up with the pilot hole. Use that pilot hole to screw the hinge to the cabinet. Put another screw on the bit and screw the lower hinge to the cabinet. Your kit includes rubber bumpers. Stick the bumper onto both corners of the door, about 1/16 of an inch from each side. To adjust the height of the door, loosen both hinge screws and slide the door up or down as needed. It works best to install all your doors before the drawer fronts or false fronts.